Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how can we handle the error that happens in the flow execution. Like whenever the lightning flow fails, user sees the error message in the UI and admin who created the flow will get the email regarding the flow failure. What if we need to execute some custom logic whenever there is a failure happen in the flow? Like let's assume we have the flow for creating the account. If the flow fails due to some reason when it is creating the account, we need to create the case automatically for that flow, and it can be assigned to the IT team for checking. So in this way we can get to know, like if any user is facing the issue, we can get to know quickly. Let's see that in the live. Let's create the flow for creating the account. Let's create new flow. I'm going to create the screen flow, so I selected the flow type as the screen flow. Let's click create. Let's add the screen component for taking the account fields. Let me drag and drop the text with component. Let me name it as account name. Let me mark it as required field, and let me set the component visibility always visible. Let me label the screen properties, account creation screen, and let me show the header and footer both, and let me remove the previous and pause. Let me add the another text widget for taking the website. Let me make it as required. Okay, so we have added the account name and the website. So only two fields in the account creation form. It is for quickly creating the account. Let's click done. So next let's add the create record component for creating the record from the screen variable. Create account record. Let me select the set record variable from the resources. Let me select the account object. Let me set the name. That name we can bring it from the screen component account name. Let me add the website. I can bring it from the website from the screen component. Let me click done. And let me add the another on screen component for confirming the user after account creation. Let me add the display text widget. Let me add account created successfully. Let me name it as success message, and let me add the screen flow to success screen. Let me remove the control navigation previous and pause. Let's click done. So this is how we usually create the screen component, but here there is no failure handling is there. So whenever the create record fails, if we want to execute some logic, that time we can use the fault connector and we can execute the failure logic. Here, whenever the account creation fail, we are automatically going to create the case with the error message. For that purpose, I am adding the create record and create case record. Let me separate variable. Let me select the case object. Let me set the subject. Let me enter the value manually. Quick account creation failed. and let me add the description as the error message. We can get the error message from the flow global variable and the fault message. Okay, let's done. Let's add the another screen flow for showing the failure message. This is for the failure flow. Let's add the display text, failure text. On creation failed, we have created case for you. IT team will contact you. So, okay, let's change the screen label to the failure screen. Let's remove the navigation for the previous and pause. Let's click done. So when like this is already connected, when we are bringing create record to the another create record, this is already success flow is there. So when we are adding another flow, by default it will take the fault connector. So whenever the create record got success, it will go in this flow. Whenever create record got fail, it will go in this flow. Okay. So this is how we can achieve the fault handling. Let's verify how it works. Let's save it. Quick account creation flow. Okay. Let's activate it. Let's add this flow in the home page. Lightning builder. We can go it from here also. This is the easiest way. Let's go to the sales app. Let's go to the home page. Let's click on the edit page. Let's add our lightning flow. So I have added the lightning flow. Let me select the quick account creation flow. I have selected the quick account creation flow. Let's save it. Let's go back. First, let's verify for the success scenario. Let me open the new tab for verifying. Okay, here let's success account. Let's click next. So account created successfully. Okay, this is the success scenario. So let's quickly create the one validation rule on the account for the failure scenario and verify. Let me go to the validation rule. Let me go to the object manager and let me select the account. Let's go to the validation rule. Let's make account source field as mandatory so that whenever we are trying to create the account with only two fields, it will throw the error message so that it can enter the failure flow. Account source is mandatory. Let's insert field called account source. Then let's use isBlank for checking whether it is blank. Let's copy this. Since it is request field, we need to add the text function. Okay. Let's verify the syntax. Yes, no error found. Let's add source is mandatory. Let's save it. So since we made the account source as the mandatory field, flow should not allow to create the record with the two fields. So it should enter into the failure flow and it should create the case. Let's verify. Let's refresh the page. Failure check. Let's click next. So we can see account creation failed. We have created the case for you. IT team will contact you soon. Let's verify whether case is created or not. Let's search for cases. So now we can see quick account creation failed. So this created the case automatically. So in this way, our support team can get to know immediately whenever the user face issue with the flow. If we see the description, we can see the error message. We have added custom field exception account source is mandatory. So this is how we can handle the exception in the flow. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if there is any doubts in the comments. Bye everyone.